Yeah, that was my first impression on the I forget what it's called. It's my pleasure. Wow, it's my pleasure palette from Colourpop. No falsies, I know, it's so shocking. Yes. Well, hello my beauties and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I'm 43 from the Netherlands, hence the accent. And today, another first impression. Shocking. This time with the It's My Pleasure by Colourpop. So, yeah. I have played with it once in a multi-palette bingo with the monochromatic palettes that I have from Colourpop. I will link the video down below and in the cards. But yeah, I think I used 2 shades then, so I did not really formulate any thoughts because it was just having fun. So that is actually why the color Earth Shine is a little bit worse for wear. And yeah, I swatched her. So yeah, here's what she looks like. I think most of you know. I'm going to play with it today. I don't really know what I want to do. Let me go and swatch the palette. I'm sure you have seen it, but it's also swatching for me personally, so I can kind of get a better feel of how the shades look. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to start there. I'm going to go row by row. It's on my arm. My arm is clean and it does not have any primer or anything on it. So yeah. So there she is, and I'm sure a lot of you know what the palette looks like because yeah, she has been around for a while. Can I just kind of nag now this one, which is called Pretty Cruel. I like the shade, I just don't get the glitter, but yeah. So I think I want to use this one, which is called Sleeper. And I think maybe even together with Fan Fiction. But then what for the lid? Let's just go and start with this one. Yeah. I'm getting a brush. Let's get you. So I'm going to start with the color Sleeper, which is this one. And that is going to go, well, on my eye, obviously. She's pretty dusty in the pan. Let's see what she does on the eye. The brush I have now is kind of small, but also a little bit more fluffy. I have a lot of fallout though. But what can you do about it? Yeah, well, besides doing your eyes first and tapping off your brush better than I did. So I was actually curious about this one. I also have the green palette. And the darkest olivey green that's in there, I actually don't think it's a really good shade. So I was kind of curious to see how this shade performed. But it's really nice. Performs really well actually. So I'm kind of impressed. In a good way. I like this color as well, actually. I think it's a very, very pretty wonky purple. I like wonky purples. I also want it underneath my eyes, but very, very lightly. We are having another heat wave when I'm filming this week, and I think it's continuing on in the week that you are seeing this, which isn't weird because today is Sunday and you will be seeing this on, I think, Tuesday or Wednesday. It's one or the other. Okay, let's go to the next brush. Yeah, let's try you. So I have a very fluffy brush now. I want to blend it out a little bit with the color called, let's get Fan Fiction, the one that's next to it. I don't want a real heavy layer with this color. That is why I'm grabbing a very fluffy brush. It's nice. It's a nice wash of color, and that's what I wanted. Okay. With this same brush, I'm going to go into the previous color. And because this has a tip, I can now kind of, you know, really put it in the crease. And concentrate a little bit of the darker color there again. Yeah, I like this. Okay. For the shimmer, I think I want to try this one. And I think I want this one in the inner corner. So this one is called Mr. Sandman. I think this is so pretty. And I also think this is very, very pretty if you just use this one in your crease, because it will behave like a matte anyway. But I actually want to try this one. So let's get a flat brush. And because this is a first impression, I'm not going to use any glitter primer. So let's see what it does. Dry first. It's a bit flaky, so I am expecting fallout. Oh, this is very pretty, but it looks to be, it's almost like it's sheer, but I think that's because of the base layer that is underneath. So let me spray it and see what it does. If I can, oh, there's my spray. I kind of rearranged my filming setup a little bit, so sometimes stuff is kind of missing, you know. Okay, let's see what it does sprayed. Ah yeah, and then the sparkle gets through more instead of the base layer. Very pretty though. I like shades like this that appear almost wet. Ah yeah, massive amount of fallout though. Let's see if I can brush away the fallout. I don't really think I can. Oh, I can. Oh, well, that's good. Okay, I'm happy with that. Otherwise, I would have had purple sparkly cheeks for the rest of the day. Okay, next is going to go the inner corner part eye thingy, and it's going to be the color Earth Shine. Let's see what it does dry. Oh, that's not too shabby. That is cute. I like that. Let's spray. Okay, so this is a shade, as is the other one. So they kind of both are shades that you can really play with, depending on the base that you put underneath. Let's kind of pull it over to blend. Cute. I want that in my inner corner as well, but I need a different brush for that. Something a little bit rounder. I'm going to spray it again. Cute. Very cute, and kind of quick and easy as well. I like this. I am going to finish off the look with liner and mascara. I will choose an eye pencil as well. I'm thinking maybe a light blue. I think let's do a light blue to match kind of this part. And this is an Electric Vibes eye pencil from Essence in the color Paradise. It's just blue, or a lighter blue. I could have done a teal as well, but yeah, I think this is fun nonetheless. So what I'm going to do now again is liner and mascara, and then I will be back to show you the look just before the falsies. So hold on tight, don't go anywhere. Liner and mascara and the lippy are on, because here's the finished look. It's getting so warm here that I kind of didn't feel like putting on falsies. So I thought, you know what, let's just build up some mascara layers and stick with that. Because otherwise they will probably melt off my face during the day, because it's going to be very warm here again. So yeah, for mascara I use the It Hello Lashes. The mini I have, it is almost gone, but I can still get some use out of it, and I just build up a few layers And then I have this. The liner is from Primark. It's a Tulip tip eyeliner, which I like. Pencil I told you, and the lipstick is a gloss from Dirty Little Secret that I got in my Style Tone box this month, and it is in the color Nude Beach, and it has a slight sparkle in it, and I thought it would be fun and kind of summery. So yeah, what I also did was I added the blue eye pencil until here, and then a little bit here in the corner to emphasize the bluish sparkle that is in that duochrome shade. But yeah, again, this is the finished look. I like it. I think it's nice and summery, and I'm very happy with it. So let me give you my first impression on the little palette. Can I do it like this? Sure, I can. I don't get this shade, matte and sparkle. I never understand a matte and a sparkle, because they just behave like a matte unless you really pack them on, and there are more sparkle in there than in here, because these sparkles you just don't see. But yeah, also I wished that these two mattes were more purple than pink, or at least one of them was. This one has a little bit more of a blue base to it, but yeah, because this is a monochromatic purple palette, what I am missing are purple mattes instead of pinkish mattes, you know? So yeah, that's the only thing I want to whine about. This shade blew me away, to be quite honest with you. I think it's a very, very good shade. The only thing is, it is very kick-uppy in the pan. But yeah, I don't personally mind it, but just so you know. These two shimmers that I used are pretty flaky. I don't mind that formula, because usually that formula is what I want in my shimmer, because then you can really play with the foilness, you know, the shininess. It is just that if you use it dry, they tend to kind of create fallout. So either spray it or do your eyes first, you know. So yeah, I cannot wait to use this shade as well, because I think it will be very pretty. Overall, I think this is a very, very nice palette. I think the quality is really good. So yeah, I am very happy that I have this. It is just, looking at this, it does not scream a monochromatic purple palette to me, because of the mattes that are in here. It's very pretty nonetheless, and I actually cannot wait to play with it more. So yeah, that was my first impression on the I forget what it's called. It's My Pleasure. Wow, It's My Pleasure palette from Colourpop. I have one palette from Colourpop left, which is the Ooh La La palette that I will play with tomorrow. So yeah, guys, let me know down below if you have the palette and how you like it. Maybe there are specific color combinations that you want me to do with this palette. Let me know down below in the comment section. For now, I'm going to sign off. Thank you so freaking much for watching. I'm going to wish you a fantastic day, a fabulous evening, and I will see you soon in my next one, which will be tomorrow. Bye, guys.